After boarding the vessel, inspection and preparation of the cargo holds began following the discharge of the previous cargo. The main objective was to bring the holds to an inspection-ready condition for the upcoming grain loading. Following the initial inspection, intensive washing of the cargo holds commenced using high-pressure equipment. The work covered all key areas of the holds, from lower surfaces to upper structures and hatch coaming elements. Operations continued while the vessel proceeded at sea. Despite stormy weather and heavy swell, the process moved forward according to plan. Work shifts alternated with short breaks for meals, and after finishing their shifts, the team returned to their cabins to rest and prepare for the next day. Particular attention was given to upper structures and underdeck areas where residues from previous cargoes tend to accumulate. Where necessary, chemical treatment and additional high-pressure cleaning were applied. As the work progressed, the cargo holds were gradually brought to the required condition, cleaned, inspected, and prepared for the next cargo operation.